Finding the courage to change. The 3 pillars of change. I found the 12 steps accidentally, but I knew right away that I needed them. I could see that I was totally codependent. I have had to learn how to notice my instinctive patterns. I've discovered that there are different, healthier ways of thinking, believing, and behaving. I've learned to have compassion for every member of my family, including myself. We're all doing the best we can. Fortunately, there are 3 important tools that I can use to create change in my life. I call these tools the 3 pillars of change. The first pillar is study. I have to be willing to study the 12 steps and other systems of thought. I must be willing to put personal effort into the problem of changing my patterns. The second pillar is community. I must find a group of like-minded people to talk to and work with to discover new ways of thinking. My higher power frequently uses the stories of others to bring me new ideas. My community inspires me and uplifts me when I become discouraged. The third pillar is coaching. If I want to improve any physical skill, I work with a coach. There's no more difficult process than changing a lifelong habit of thought or belief. Of course I need a coach, maybe more than one with different specialties, and I have to be willing to be coachable. I've come to believe that this curse of dysfunction can be lifted, but I cannot lift it alone. It's too powerful, and my stinking thinking thrives in isolation. I will use the 3 pillars of change.